Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious bacon and egg sandwich. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need some crispy bacon, fresh eggs, your favorite bread, and a slice of cheese. Make sure your pan is ready and your spatula is at hand. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's cook the bacon. Lay your bacon strips in a cold pan and cook over medium heat until they are wonderfully crispy. Once done, set them aside. Now, crack your eggs into the same pan or a separate one and fry them to your liking. A runny yolk is often preferred, but cook them how you enjoy them most. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Now for the assembly. Lightly toast your bread slices until they are golden brown and slightly crisp. While the toast is still warm, place a slice of cheese on one piece so it can begin to melt. Then, carefully layer your perfectly cooked bacon and fried egg on top of the cheese. This creates a fantastic base for your sandwich. Finally, add any extra touches you love, like a dash of hot sauce or a sprinkle of chives. Place the second slice of toast on top to complete your masterpiece. This bacon and egg sandwich is best enjoyed immediately while everything is warm and the cheese is gooey. Get ready to savor every single bite of this classic breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.